Hey, you heard of the new app?
No, what is it?
Apparently it can predict the future.
That's stupid.
That's what I was saying, but Rudy downloaded it on my phone.
Rudy's always believing that stuff online.
Yeah, you should give it a shot though, just for fun.
Maybe.
Hey, have you guys heard about that new app? He said I'll be 100 on my exam and it actually came true.
It said we're gonna have peaceful lunch, and it happened. This app is really true.
That's what I've been saying, but no one listens to Rudy.
Everybody's talking about that app. Maybe I should download it. This could be fun, I guess.
Why? You actually downloaded the app.
Yeah, I figured why not? Because what's the worst that could happen?
Oh, I didn't make an answer. I was like, oh, it's so late.
Hey, Jay, I like your shoes. Where you get them?
Foot Locker.
I heard you got friends on TikTok. Give me your phone bills. Or how far should you go back to your classroom, or I report you to the principal? John always making trouble. If you do something else, please report him to the student councils.
Okay, I will.
Why is actually being nice to you? You could actually get popular, but first, you need to take our quiz.
Because my best friend.
He's the popular one.
Fine.
Alright class, I have to go talk to another teacher, so I'm trusting that when I leave, you guys will be quiet. I'll be right back.
Hey AJ, where were you in the hallway so I couldn't find you there?
Yeah, I was trying to find you too, but I didn't see you anywhere.
Yeah, that's crazy. So you just started the app yesterday?
Yeah, I installed it, but nothing really happened. Probably some weird marketing scam.
Oh, no, it worked for me. You might just be unlucky.
Hey, Quiz, ain't you cheating on that test Miss Watson?
You cheated on the test, seriously? I asked for help. You said you didn't know anything.
What are you talking about? Me and AJ literally worked out the questions.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean?
Wow, I can't believe this.
Where are you getting all this from?
I heard some people talking about it in Harvard too.
Who was it?
I don't know. Yeah, I heard that you cheated. Can't believe you cheated on the exam.
I didn't cheat though.
Hello, wait up. Why would you lie today in class?
What?
You know I didn't cheat. Why would you lie?
Listen, I can't talk to you anymore.
What's up with you ladies? Everyone thinks I'm cheating and people are making stuff up.
That sounds like a you problem.
Hey, you heard?
About what?
Rudy transferred schools.
Really?
Yeah, they say he was looking sorry.
Rudy was one of my best friends.
That's crazy, but like John and his friends said they wanted to be your friend.
Well, we could be friends. I talked to them earlier.
Alright, that's cool. Yeah.
AJ, sorry about yesterday when I tried to take it home.
Really? But you said it changed.
You're going viral today. You're not supposed to say that. Since nothing changed. We just think that you cool. Yeah, nothing changed. We have been wanting to be your friend. Who's we?
Okay, well, I guess we could be friends.
Speaking of friends, I can't believe Claire did that. He's so lame. Right, like who cheats and not even tell their friends?
Could you get the door?
All right.
Do you need something?
I'd like to report a bullying.
You're being bullied? Come inside.
No, not me, but a friend.
So, who's being bullied and what's the situation?
I'm sure you know the kid named Quez.
Did you talk of the school?
He didn't do anything the gossip said he did. Those were all rumors.
I'm not accusing you of lying, but do you have any proof?
Yes, I do.
Excuse me, Mr. Stewart, may I interrupt the class for a moment? I need to see the following students: Riddick, Warmack, Bryant, and Murphy. Please follow me outside. So, I brought you out here because I've heard that the 4 of you are spreading rumors about another student. Is this true?
No.
What rumors?
Yeah, I never made a rumor in my life.
So, there's video footage of you making rumors about a student, Marquez Abrams. Are we going to deny this?
I have nothing to admit.
Okay. I'm very disappointed in you, scholars. Follow me to my office. So, are you sure you don't have anything to admit, AJ?
I have nothing to admit.
I was afraid you would say that. Karen, please come on in. Who are you?
I've been seeing everything. I caught you in 4K doing all this.
Karen has video evidence of you and Rudy Golden conversing about ruining Quay's reputation.
Why would you do this?
I never.
4.
Now you are. I can't believe you. Look at you.
So, you know, I've expressed how disappointed I am. And unfortunately, this behavior is not tolerated here. It shouldn't be tolerated anywhere. So, the 3 of you will be suspended for 3 weeks.
What?
Yes, you will be suspended for 3 weeks.
So we're all getting suspended? That's not too bad.
As for you, AJ, you will be expelled.
What? You can't do that.
I can and I will. Do you want to keep going?
No.
Now, please, go back to class, and I better not see you roaming the halls. Goodbye.
But
No buts. Goodbye.